Hello everyone, my name is Dave Partner and welcome to your fourth Node.js tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be looking at something called the Npm, that is the Node Package Manager. It contains the largest repository of open source content in the world. So that's to tell you how important and powerful Node.js is. So just to tell you that you're in the right path. This guy runs the largest open source repository in the world, okay? And that's what I'm about to introduce you right now. But before we move on, don't forget to head over to your Instagram and search for my name, Dave Ozalo, and click on follow. Follow me on Instagram. I make business video tutorials, business and startup video tutorials, okay? And I make quotes like this too, so you would like to follow me, all right? And don't forget to head over to my YouTube and click follow. So in this tutorial, we'll be looking at NPM. Like I told you before, NPM stands for Node Package Manager, and it does two functions. First of all, it's an online repository for Node.js packages or modules, which are searchable online, okay? So the next thing it does is it's a command line utility to install Node.js packages. So we'll look at the command line utility for that. So we get to our Node.js command prompt, and what we do first of all is to check what's the version of NPM that we have. NPM comes bundled with our Node.js installation. So that time in the first video tutorial that we installed Node.js, it came with NPM. Okay, to check the version we're using, we type this and hit enter, and what we have is 3.96. so we're good to go, we're doing fine. All right, assuming NPM is not installed or you want to update NPM, this is how to update it. If you are on Linux or Linux, as some people pronounce it, you have sudo npm install npm, all right, and you put G. But if you are on Windows like I am, you wouldn't need any sudo anything, so you just npm install npm G. So this is a npm install, helps you to install modules. So the npm module we want to install is npm itself, and then this little minus G means globally. Install it globally. If we don't have this minus G or hyphen G, npm will be installed in the directory that Node.js is installed in our system, which is probably users del. So it will just be installed here. So if we're trying to run it from outside this, we'll have issues. We'll have to use require. So if you install locally, if you use minus G, it means you're installing globally, but if you don't use it, it means you're installing locally. So when you are installing locally, any node module you install locally, you have to use require to call it in to import it into your code. So this is a node npm module HTTP, and we use require because it was installed locally, okay? So apart from that, if you use minus G, you wouldn't need to require anything. All right, like I told you, that is how to install npm modules. You just use npm install, then you type the name of the module, then you determine whether it's global or local. So let's first of all install another npm module just to show you an example. The name of the module is Express, so I hit enter. And then it goes online. Make sure you are online while doing this thing. It goes online, fetches data, blah blah blah, blah, and we're done. Okay. So you and I are probably good to go. So let's try and do it globally, just to show you an example. So we have and I hit enter button, install it globally, so it goes online, fetches data, blah blah blah. I've installed this thing before on my system, okay, and we are installed globally. All right, and I've installed it. Otherwise, you would have seen a whole list of dependencies that it's installed and everything. So in your own system, you might just get a little different result. So let's check. If you want to check all the Node.js modules installed within your local directory or your global, if you want to check all the Node.js installed, you will type this and hit enter. So these within the local directory, the current local directory, these are the Node.js modules installed. Which means if you want to check the ones installed globally, you have this. Hit enter, and it will go and fetch everything for us. Then the next thing you want to check out is it's loading, alright? See all the modules that we have installed globally. So many. Alright, the next thing we want to check is I'll show you something very important and interesting to know, something you have to know. Every Node.js package or module has a file called package.json. Alright, and it contains details about the Node module. So in the Express we just installed, we have to trace it. It's in this folder in our system. Alright, so we copy this, Ctrl C on my keyboard, and we'll go to our file explorer and try to navigate to this folder. The shortcut I use is just to copy it and go to my file explorer. I just opened any random folder and paste it here and hit enter. So we are in this file. Otherwise you can just type it out manually. We are in this folder. We are looking for node_modules. Double click and open, and these are the modules we've installed locally, and we have we're looking for Express. We just installed this guy right now, so you double click and open. Look at it. So this is the file we're looking for. This file is in every Node.js module. So when we're creating our module in the next tutorial, we will have this file. Okay, and I'll give you a quick run through of what this file is and what it does. It is present in all the root directory of all Node applications or modules, and it is used to define the properties of a package. Okay, so let's quickly see what it's inside. First of all, as you can see, it has the name of the package, which is Express. It has the version. As you can see, it has the version. Then has a description of what the package does, and it has the name of the contributors. It has the home page. This is for bugs. It has the email and details of the contributors. Okay. It has the author's name. It has the list of dependencies. What are the other dependencies it runs on, as you can see. So, and as you can see, a whole lot of stuff, the keywords, the license, the main entry point of the package and stuff like that. So this basically contains the full details of the Node directory, okay, Node module. The next one we'll look at is how to uninstall a Node module. To uninstall a Node module, you just do npm uninstall. You put the name of the module. The one we want to remove is Express. Then you hit enter. I don't want to remove it. If you hit enter, it gets uninstalled. Okay, if you want to update a module, what you will do is npm update, you put the name of the model, which is express. If you want to search, you search the name of the module. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it's that easy. It's just so easy. Okay, in the next tutorial we'll do just a very short and easy stuff, which is basically creating our own sample module. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial.